Hi guys, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of beauty brands. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And today we're talking about the brand, The Ordinary brand, that has really, caused a lot of noise, right? Because it's the prices are so affordable. But if you think about it, the bottle is only 50 milliliters. Is really not too much to use, so you'll have to go back pretty often, right, to keep buying it. So it's made in Canada, and the shelf life is also relatively short, specifically for this product, which is the Squalane cleanser. It's the Squalane-based face cleanser and makeup remover. So the shelf life is 6 months. What this product does, it is a very gentle product, but it still will remove the makeup, will remove the SPF. It will gently cleanse your skin, and it's cruelty-free and vegan, which is actually good news. It does not have any silicones, any oil, any alcohol, gluten and nuts, if that's the concern. If you didn't know, Squalane is really the ingredient that is good for moisturizing our skin. When you open up the product, it's like balm-like consistency, but when you start using it, it becomes more like clear oil consistency. So I would say if you have oily, it could be used for either dry skin, for sensitive skin, for oily skin, and acne-prone skin. But for the acne-prone skin, I would recommend you to get a second cleanser, something that would be a little bit stronger to clean up the pores. But all in all, you can use this morning and night, and if you read the reviews, they're really amazing. What I love about this product is that compared to many others, this is good to use around the eye area. So if you want to remove your eye makeup, you could go ahead and use that, because obviously something that is supposed to really triple cleanse your pores and skin, you would not use this product around the eyes. So this one you can, or you can just get it. It's very affordable, just for working on the around eye area. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. All the best. Bye.